Welcome. My name is Tosalin Wilson. I'm the Director of Prevention and Community Engagement for the Mental Health Association of Rochester, as well as the Self-Help Drop-In Support Services. Today, we will be discussing mental health challenges and resources offered by the Mental Health Association of Rochester. Some of the things we will cover today are: what is mental health? What are some of the challenges to mental health? How can the Mental Health Association of Rochester help? And ways to contact us. What is mental health? According to the CDC, mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress related to others and helps us to make healthy choices. Mental health is important at every stage in life, from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. What are some of the challenges to mental health? Stigma is one of the biggest challenges to mental health and getting or seeking treatment. Many people come from communities or families where mental health is a topic that's not discussed, um, pushed under the rug, kept behind closed doors. So there's a huge stigma about people who actually choose to identify that they have mental health disorders and seek treatment for them. Lack of or having inadequate insurance coverage. By not having insurance, a lot of obstacles present themselves. When seeking therapy, psychiatry supports, and even medical supports, having insurance is integral. Having adequate insurance that covers the things that mental health encompasses is also extremely important. Lack of social supports. By not having social supports to help guide you or even to help you continue on the correct path can be hard. By not having social supports to help you in your mental health recovery journey can also be hard. Housing instability. Not having a place to stay affects your entire mental health. Not knowing where you're going to lay your head at night has a big impact on how you deal with your day-to-day mental health. Trouble connecting with clinical supports is also a challenge to mental health. There has been a shortage of all medical professionals, specifically in the mental health realm, especially after COVID. Many people have found that they have formed or discovered mental health disorders and are now seeking treatment, which in turn results in longer wait times to see a therapist, to get assigned to a medical professional. There are many more other obstacles and challenges to mental health, recovery, and seeking treatment. So, you ask, how can the Mental Health Association help? Well, here at the MHA Rochester, we pride ourselves on offering services and supports to the entire community with minimal barriers, regardless of your mental health diagnosis. So, even if it's a one-off, had a bad day at work, had a little road rage, need to come in and just talk to somebody, get some things off my chest. That's kind of like what we're here for. We also provide a wide variety of groups structured around the 8 dimensions of wellness. Emotional well-being, helping people to become more emotionally stable in their mental health recovery. Finding those positive self-concepts, which also includes dealing with feelings. Physical well-being is also a really big one. We recognize that physical activity, healthy foods, and a good night's sleep all have an impact on mental health. Spiritual well-being, expanding your sense of purpose and meaning in life. Financial well-being, the satisfaction of knowing that your financial situation is in a good place has a large impact on a person's mental health. Occupational well-being, personal satisfaction and enrichment from one's work is an extremely important part of mental health. If you don't feel like you have things that are worthwhile doing, then you can kind of fall into those more negative aspects of mental health. And so we try to focus on helping people, the whole person, not just focusing on the mental health. Intellectual well-being, recognizing your creative abilities. We have a wonderful art studio that is open between the hours of 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Monday through Friday for people to come and express their creativity or find their creative spark. Social well-being, developing a sense of connection in your community and with others. A sense of belonging is extremely important in everyone's mental health journey. Environmental well-being, another huge factor in our mental health. Stimulating environments, having those places that we can go that helps garner a better approach to our mental health recovery and treatment. All the groups that we provide here at the Mental Health Association fall under one or many of these dimensions of wellness. Our Wood Center for Wellbeing hosts several of these groups, as well as mutual support groups, skill building groups, and crisis skill building groups. We offer anger management, and we are looking to increase our class size for that. So if you're interested, definitely connect with us. We are located at 274 North Goodman Street, Unit D 103, Rochester, New York 14607. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Saturdays and Sundays, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Our phone number is 585-325-3145. And feel free to reach us on our website at mharochester.org. I've also included a few other helplines that can assist in times of need. 211 and 988 Suicide and Crisis Line. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day.